Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Nougat skin in Roblox. To begin, launch your Roblox application or visit the official website. Once logged in, navigate to the avatar section, typically found on the left-hand menu. This area is your personal customization hub. From there, locate and click on the head and body category. This is the first crucial step to accessing your avatar's skin tone options and starting your transformation. After selecting head and body, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to find and click on the skin tone option. This action will open a comprehensive color palette, presenting many different shades for your avatar. Carefully browse through these available colors. Your goal is to identify the Nougat color, which is a distinct, warm brown tone, usually present among the standard skin color selections. Take your time to find the perfect match. Once you've successfully located the Nougat color swatch, simply click on it. You'll immediately see your avatar's skin tone change to this rich, warm shade in the preview window. This real-time update allows you to confirm it's the exact look you desire. After you are satisfied, make sure to confirm your selection to permanently apply the Nougat skin to your avatar. This action saves your changes, making your new look official. And just like that, your Roblox avatar is now sporting the beautiful Nougat skin tone. Now comes the fun part, exploring the vast avatar shop. You can find countless clothing items, accessories, and hairstyles that will perfectly complement your refreshed appearance. Don't hesitate to mix and match to create a truly unique and personalized style. Once you're ready, jump into any Roblox game and proudly showcase your newly customized avatar to all your friends.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.